We're in lockdown again, but I thought I'd just post some quick hints and tips about how to sort out problems that you might have with your Insta360 Go 2 if you do have any problems. First of all, charging problems. The first thing to check is that you haven't still got a sticker on the back of the camera. Make sure you can see the circle of charging pins that are immediately behind the lens on the back of the camera. That label is just disposable. Take it off, throw it away, and then you should be able to charge your camera without any problems. Now, if during use you get some kind of hang up, unlike most cameras where you can whip out the battery, put it back in, and that will deal with any problems, you can't do that on this camera because it doesn't have a removable battery. So what you do is you hold down the button on the camera itself for 7 seconds. Make it 10 if that's easier. Then that should turn the power off internally, turn it back on again, reboot the camera, and you should be good to go. You can also do the same thing on the charging case itself. Hold down the button that is not red for 7 to 10 seconds, and that should resolve any problems concerning connectivity or charging, anything like that. Those are the prime things to try. Check the label on the back of the camera, reset the camera itself by holding down the button for 7 to 10 seconds, reset the case by holding the not red button down for 7 to 10 seconds. The only other hint I can think of is to keep the contacts on the back of the camera and on the case clean. Just give them a wipe with a tissue every now and then just to make sure nothing's got on them to mess up the contact between the case and the camera. I hope those tips help you. Beautiful afternoon here in Melbourne, Australia. Shame about the lockdown, but it has to be done. Stay healthy.